Are you from Philippines? I have so many friends from Philippines. Oh, really? Yeah, I am. And where are you from also? What's your name? What's your name? Can you be my friends too? Oh, I have a lot of friends also from India. Oh. How old are you? I have a lot of friends from India too. Yeah, all the people on your life are very nice and they make the conversation very good with everyone. Yeah, it is. That's nice. I am 18 and you there. Uh-oh. I'm 32. Yeah, thank you. Check it out. Yes, thank you, Nitesh. Yeah, sure. I will. Thank you. Wasn't it? Paolo, hello. Gabriel Henrique, my suggestion for you reaction to my YouTube movie. Huh? YouTube Gabriel Henrique covering. Oh, now I'm using my phone and I'm 18 and you. I'm 32. I'm 32. What is your name? Lover girl. Lover girl. Hello. Homo sapiens. See you pensa krasi. Homo sapiens. Hey, honey, how are you? I'm good, Manish. It's Yuna. Oh, the climb. Oh, sorry. Yeah, sure. After my live, Yuna Kim. Oh, Yuna Kim. Are you from Philippines? Yes, I am. Yeah. Oh, so what? So what did you do? I love Philippines. Are you Indian, right? Oh, I told you from Russia. Hello, Divu. I'm sorry. My bad. It's okay. It's okay. No worries. Just normal. Yeah, I know you are. Keep staying. Magandang gabi. Hi, Divu man. Magandang gabi din. Why are you tell India? Huh? What do you mean? Why are you... Why should I say that you're India? Greetings from Indonesia. Oh, thank you, Dibu man.